वागातोर बागा आणि कळंगूट ह्या दर्यादेगेवयल्या वाठारांनी जातल्या आवाज प्रदूषणाचेर विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरिया आलेमावान 0 आवारात आवाज काढलो। ताचेर सीएमान कारवायेचे उतर दिले। दर्यादेगांचेर न्हय, एकूण सावंड पोल्युशनाच्या संदर्भात सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे नेम आसात। गोयच्या दर्यादेगांक हे कायदे नेम लागानात काय कितें अशें भौतेक एक्टिविस्ट आणि त्या वाठारांनी न्हीन खळिल्ले लोक विचारतात। पुलीस सेगीतपणान कागाळी कडेन आडनदर करत आयल्यात। पळयात मुख्यमंत्र्यान दिल्ले उतर।
Coastal belt, particularly in Vagator and Kalangut, with loud music from hotels, restaurants and clubs till midnight and post-midnight at some locations. The people are frustrated by filing complaints after complaints every day. This is in open defiance to the directives of the High Court and regulations of the Goa State Pollution Control Board. The Honorable Minister may issue strict instructions to the police for enforcement and go for enhanced action. It's because the people of Vagator are facing sleepless nights. Despite the High Court crackdown on noise, residents allege blatant defiance of the court's order. There are places that are openly advertising parties beginning at 10 p.m. when the Supreme Court of India declared that no music can be played in any non-soundproof place after 10 p.m. Noise pollution readings on 2nd August, 1 a.m. Titli, 100 dB. 1:50 a.m. Club Noah, 115 dB. 1:20 Right, 98 dB. 1:30 Cafe CO2, 125 dB. Salute Dynamo, 102 dB. Dyers is 130 dB. Speaker sir, yes. Honorable Chief Minister, also आज पेपराचे मेन
इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिवपाक लायता तेणी जे सांगला पळय न्ही ऑलरेडी तेचेर एक्शन घेवलो प्रत्येकाक संवय जाल्ली पेपर हाडून दाखयता
आमगे ड्युटी
दिवपाक लायता
ये बहुत जाल्या